Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete user account in Windows 11 operating system. It is very easy. First of all, just go to your search bar and type here control panel. Just like this, here you will see this one. So just open it up. Then here in the view by section, we need to set it on category so that you will be able to see this user account section. And right here we just need to click on change account type. Now here you will see all of the accounts which you have in your laptop. I have two accounts and I want to remove this one, but before deleting the account you need to make sure that that user account should not be administrator. So in my Windows I have only one administrator, which is my this account, and I want to keep this one but delete this instead. So I can do that because this account is not administrator. So you just need to have at least one administrator account before deleting the account, and the account which we are going to delete is this one. So it means that after deleting this account we'll only have this account which is administrator, so we don't have to worry about, we can just easily delete it up. So for that, just click on the account. Right here you have the option delete the account, so just click on it. Now if you want to keep the files of this account, you can just click on keep files. In my case I don't want to keep the files of this account, so I'll just click on delete files, then just click on delete account. And yeah, you can see the account is gone, and that's how you can delete user account in your laptop if you have Windows 11 operating system. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.